Alright, so today I'm going to go over a few credit repair lies that most consumers fall for, and I'm going to put some score increases up here for some clients from the past couple of months. And this is really just to warn y'all about, not only the scammers, but the people in this industry who are not very knowledgeable about credit repair. So the first myth is you can legally fix your credit in 4 days using Section 605B of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. Now, to be fair, you can legally fix it that way if you are a true victim of identity theft. But if you just want the items off your credit report, please don't use that. You're committing fraud. If you open those accounts, don't say that you didn't open those accounts. There's no need to lie about it. The other one is using the Equifax or TransUnion data breach. So what people don't understand is just because there was a data breach, that data breach has nothing to do with collections, charge-offs, repos, bankruptcy, student loans, anything that was already on your credit report before the data breach. Again, you're committing fraud again. So that method is used for people who a data breach happened and negative accounts where somebody got a credit card in your name and it charged off, went to your credit report, and you had absolutely no knowledge of it. That's what identity theft is for. Not, oh, I just want this stuff off my credit report, so I'm going to use Section 605B of the Fair Credit Reporting Act or 15 U.S.C. 1681C-2. There's so much misinformation out there. Yes, you have a right to privacy. You do. Yes, it does say you have to give them written permission. Without it, they can't report this stuff to your credit report. But you can't use that to remove the stuff because you gave them all the written permission they needed when you signed up for that credit card, you signed up for that personal loan, you got that mortgage, and guess what? You also gave them permission to send you to collections. Now, that does not mean that they can legally collect in your state. That does not mean that their whole process is going to be legal. And that's why our attorneys love FDCPA violations. It is so easy to trigger an FDCPA violation. So what you got to understand with legal credit repair is going to take time. But at least with legal credit repair, you're not going to get in trouble in the long run. And you also want to sign up with a company like mine. Again, I don't care if you sign up with us or not. I really don't. But you want to make sure they're working with attorneys, because sometimes the only way to get this stuff removed from your credit report is by suing the credit bureaus and or the creditors. If y'all do have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.